So for the VA loan, no down payment, and that means no down payment required, but you can have a down payment if you wanted one. There's no mortgage insurance, and that means never, under any circumstances, would there be mortgage insurance. There's a 4% max seller credit. So the 4% max seller credit would be if you are writing an offer and you're asking the seller to pay your closing costs, you can ask for how much in closing costs? Well, you can ask for 4% of the purchase price or appraised value, whichever is lesser. There's no loan limit set by the VA, so you can literally buy a $1.3 million home with a VA loan, assuming that you qualify, meaning you make enough income to be able to handle that. But the VA does not set loan limits, which is fantastic. So you can think of VA as like a jumbo loan in its own kind of category. Owner occupied only. The VA loan is not for investment properties. However, the only rule is that you have to live in the home. You have to live in the home, but that doesn't mean you can't buy a duplex, a triplex, or a fourplex. So imagine, for all you veteran investors out there, you're looking at a fourplex. You can buy it with just no money down, no mortgage insurance, live in one unit, rent out the other 3 units. There's some stipulations there, so reach out to me outside of this to know how. It's going to require a little bit of savings, what we call reserves, in your accounts to be able to do that, to use rents to qualify. But it is a fantastic loan program in the sense that you can cash flow a property that much easier when you're not putting out a huge down payment and there's no mortgage insurance tacked on to that monthly payment. The VA home loan is a lifetime benefit. The VA does have a renovation loan as well, and the VA does have a new construction loan. Not all lenders will be able to offer a VA renovation or a VA new construction, but you can ask around and they are out there. They do exist.